How was your day at work? How was your day at work? Did you eat your lunch on time? Did you eat your lunch on time? Please take your medicine now. Please take your medicine now. I will help you with dinner. I will help you with dinner. Can we sit and talk? Can we sit and talk? Thank you for everything you do. Thank you for everything you do. You look tired today. You look tired today. Shall I make some tea? Shall I make some tea? I am proud to be your child. I am proud to be your child. Please tell me a story. Please tell me a story. Can we go for a walk together? Can we go for a walk together? Do you need any help? Do you need any help? I finished my homework. I finished my homework. May I go outside now? May I go outside now? Let's watch a movie tonight. Let's watch a movie tonight. I cleaned my room. I cleaned my room. What are we cooking today? What are we cooking today? Please rest for a while. Please rest for a while. I will be home early. Can you check my homework? Can you check my homework? I am feeling a little sick. I am feeling a little sick. Thank you for your advice. Thank you for your advice. I will listen carefully. I will listen carefully. Can we visit Grandma tomorrow? Can we visit Grandma tomorrow? Please wake me up early. Please wake me up early. I love spending time with you. I love spending time with you. Did you call the doctor? Did you call the doctor? Let's have dinner together. Let's have dinner together.